Stop struggling with a slow or buggy Synology NAS. My name is Anna from For Real, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to reboot your Synology NAS the proper way to solve common problems and boost performance. If you've ever felt like your NAS is getting sluggish, apps are crashing, or you're just trying to troubleshoot a weird network issue, you're in the right place. Restarting seems simple, but doing it wrong can cause big headaches. Many users are tempted to just pull the power cord, but that's a huge risk for your data. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through not just the how, but also the why. A proper reboot done through the Disk Station Manager or DSM is the key. It allows your NAS to safely stop all running services, park the hard drive heads, and clear out temporary memory, which can be a great Synology performance fix. You should do this after major system updates, when installing or removing big applications, or simply as the first step to troubleshoot your Synology NAS if things aren't working right. Think of it as a fresh start for your system. Quick pause. If you're already finding this helpful, please give this video a quick like. It tells YouTube that this is a good guide and helps other Synology owners find it. Okay, let's get into the step-by-step process. Okay, step 1 is to log into your Synology Disk Station Manager, or DSM. Open any web browser on your computer. You can get there by typing in the IP address of your NAS if you know it. Or the easy way is to go to find.synology.com. This will search your local network and find your device. Once you're logged into your DSM desktop, look at the top right of your screen. You'll see a small icon that looks like the silhouette of a person. This is your user options menu. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options like Personal, Restart, and Shut Down. It's important to choose the right one. For our purpose, we'll click on Restart. This is different from a Synology DSM shutdown, which would power the device off completely, requiring you to physically press the power button to turn it back on. Your Synology will ask for one final confirmation. A small window will pop up saying, "Are you sure you want to restart?" This is your final chance to back out. Click the blue OK button to begin the restart process. Now the most important part, be patient. Your browser window will disconnect, and the lights on your NAS unit will start to flash. This is completely normal. It can take a few minutes for the system to shut down safely and then start back up. Do not unplug it during this time. Here's a pro tip for you. You can automate this to keep your system fresh. In DSM, go to Control Panel, then Task Scheduler. You can create a new scheduled task for a reboot service. I have mine set to restart once every 2 weeks at 4 a.m. on a Sunday. It's a great set it and forget it way to ensure a smooth restart of your Synology disk station regularly. Before we wrap up, here's a quick fun fact for you. Ever wonder where the name Synology comes from? It's actually a blend of two words, synergy and technology. The name is meant to represent how their hardware and software work together in synergy to create a seamless experience. Pretty clever, right? And there you have it. You now know exactly how to safely reboot your Synology NAS using the DSM interface. No more random slowdowns or worries about data corruption from pulling the plug. You're now in full control of keeping your NAS running at its best. If you found this tutorial useful and want more tips to get the most out of your Synology NAS, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments, what other Synology task do you want to see a tutorial on? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.